Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm making a fancy paperclip style chain bracelet inspired by the $1,000 gold paperclip bracelets that they sell at Burke's and other high-end stores. I'm using 16 gauge rose gold artistic wire. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. I'm starting with the 16 gauge wire working off the roll. I'm going to cut the end flush and get the bail making pliers to form the link. So we will hold the wire about 1/4 to 1/2 inch from the end and turn it around. I'm measuring 5/8 of an inch, and I will hold the wire with the bail making pliers and push it around to form the other curve, making sure the wires line up at the side. Now clip the wire flush with the nipper tool or your flush cutters. Give it a good sharp clip so they line up perfectly. And now we'll use the chain nose pliers to make sure they connect and there's no little gap or slack. It's a complete piece that's closed, adjusted as you need. I'm going to hammer it with the raw hide hammer. You could also flatten it with a pasta maker or a rolling mill. This is going to stiffen it up, make it a little more solid, and then we're going to open up the link to attach the next one and close it up again. Make sure the ends are flush, completely lined up, and you will continue to add the links, as many as you need to fit your arm. So bring it around, close them up, and once you have enough, there's two methods. You can close it so it's one size and more like a bangle, so it'll slide right on your hand, but it will be a little bit loose if you do that method. So if you want to make a clasp, we are going to start in the same way. We're just going to turn the end though and close it up. And now we're going to measure the same, about 5/8 of an inch, and bring the wire around so it's parallel to the other one, and we will turn the end into a closed loop, making sure there's space to slide in the other piece. And we're going to make that loop a little smaller, give it a tug so it's small, and then clip it flush and pinch it down with your chain nose pliers, and you can hammer it if you like. There's the clasp, and we'll open it up to put it on the end of the bracelet, close it up, and you'll see it's very easy to attach. Just slide it right in there to finish your bracelet with the clasp. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.